Hi there. In this video, we'll show you how you can add images to your product listings in Store.link. There are 4 different ways to add images. Let's go through each one step by step. First, open up your Store.link dashboard. Then, navigate to the Products section. Under Manage, click on Open Product Sheet. Each row in the product sheet represents a single product listing, so keep that in mind as we proceed. Now, let's focus on setting the thumbnail image, which is the primary visual customers will see. The first method is quite simple. Just input the direct URL of the image. Here, we'll copy the URL of this image, and then paste it into the designated cell. Let's preview the store to ensure the image has been added. We'll refresh the page and scroll down to check. Perfect. Now, onto the second method, which is a slight variation of the first. Instead of adding a direct URL, use the image formula from Google Sheets. Here, we'll copy the URL of another image. Back in the product sheet, we'll paste the URL here and close it with double quotes and parentheses. In this method, the benefit is that you can directly see a preview of the image inside the cell. Let's preview the store to ensure this image has been added. Great! Moving on to the third method, return to the dashboard, click on Products, and then select Gallery. Store.link includes a built-in gallery feature, allowing you to upload your images effortlessly. You can simply upload an image from your local computer. Here, we'll select this image and click on Upload File. After uploading, choose the image and click Copy Image. Head back to the product sheet and paste it into the designated cell. Now let's preview the store to ensure this image has been added. All right, that worked just as expected. Lastly, the fourth method involves adding images directly from your Google Drive. Let's switch over to the Google Drive tab. Ensure the image is publicly accessible. Copy the link and paste it into the cell on the product sheet. And that's it. You've successfully added images to your product listings using 4 simple methods. As you can see, we have successfully added all 4 images using different methods. You can choose any method you find suitable. If you have any questions, please visit storelink.help.center.